Did you know that your adult disabled child could be missing out on over $1,500 every single month? Money that could change their life and yours? Most families have never even heard of these benefits. And every year, thousands of dollars go unclaimed. If you're a parent or guardian of a disabled adult child, this video could be the most important thing you watch all year. Stay with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock these hidden benefits, step by step. Let's start with the basics. If you're caring for an adult child with a disability, you need to know about something called Disabled Adult Child Benefits, or DAC for short. This is a special program from Social Security that most people have never heard of. What exactly is DAC? DAC is a monthly cash benefit for adults who became disabled before they turned 22. Here's the amazing part. The benefit is based on your work record as the parent, not your child's. That means your child could get a monthly payment, even if they've never worked a day in their life. Let's break it down even more simply. If your child is 18 or older, their disability started before age 22. They can't work because of their disability. And you, the parent, are either retired, disabled, or have passed away, and have enough Social Security work credits. Your child could qualify for DAC benefits. This is not a handout. It's a right that your family has earned through your years of work and paying into Social Security. Now let's talk about who exactly qualifies for these benefits. I want to make this as clear as possible, because this is where most people get confused. To qualify for DAC benefits, your child must be 18 or older. DAC is for adults, not children. But you can start the process before your child turns 18 if you know they'll qualify. Have a disability that started before age 22. This is the most important rule. The disability can be physical, intellectual, or mental. It could be autism, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, severe learning disabilities, or a mental health condition like schizophrenia or bipolar disorder. The key is that the disability began before your child's 22nd birthday. Be unable to work because of their disability. Social Security will look at whether your child can do substantial gainful activity. In 2024, that means earning more than $1,550 a month from work. If your child can't earn that much because of their disability, they may qualify. Have a parent who is retired, disabled, or deceased, and has enough Social Security work credits. This is where many families miss out. Your child can only get DAC benefits if you, the parent, are receiving Social Security retirement or disability benefits, or if you have passed away. If you're still working and not yet retired or disabled, your child can't get DAC yet, but they can apply as soon as you start your benefits. If you're not sure if your child's disability counts, don't worry. Social Security has a long list of conditions that qualify, and even if your child's condition isn't on the list, they may still be eligible if it seriously limits their ability to work. So, how much money are we talking about? This is the part that gets most families excited, and for good reason. The average DAC benefit is around $1,500 a month, but the exact amount depends on your work record as the parent. If you paid more into Social Security over your career, your child's benefit could be even higher, sometimes over $2,000 a month. Let S do some quick math. $1,500 a month is $18,000 a year. Over 10 years, that's $180,000. And remember, these benefits can last for your child's entire life. That's a huge amount of support for your family. And here's something else. DAC benefits are not needs-based. That means your child can qualify even if you have savings or other income. The only thing that matters is your work record and your child's disability. Ready to claim these benefits? Let's walk through the process, step by step. I'll make it as simple as possible. Step 1. Confirm your child's disability started before age 22. This is the golden rule. Gather any medical records, school records, or other documents that show your child's disability began before their 22nd birthday. The more proof you have, the better. Step 2. Check your own Social Security status. Are you, the parent, currently receiving Social Security retirement or disability benefits? Or has the parent passed away? If yes, your child can apply for DAC now. If not, you'll need to wait until you start your benefits. Step 3. Gather your documents. Here's what you'll need: your child's birth certificate, medical records showing the disability started before age 22, your social security number and work history, any legal documents like guardianship papers, if you have them. Step 4. Apply for DAC benefits. You have 3 options online. Go to the Social Security website and start an application for child's benefits. By phone, call your local Social Security office and ask to apply for disabled adult child benefits. In person, visit your local Social Security office. Bring all your documents. Step 5. Complete the application. Be thorough. Answer every question honestly. If you're not sure about something, ask for help. Social Security may ask for more information or schedule a medical exam for your child. Step 6. Wait for a decision. This can take a few weeks to a few months. Be patient, but don't be afraid to follow up if you haven't heard anything after a month. Step 7. Appeal if denied. If your application is denied, don't give up. Many families win on appeal, especially if they provide more medical evidence or get help from disability advocate. Step 8. Set up direct deposit. Once approved, your child's benefits will be paid directly into their bank account every month. And that's it. It might seem like a lot, but if you take it one step at a time, you can do this. And remember, you're not alone. There are people and organizations who can help you through the process. Now let's talk about some of the most common mistakes families make when applying for DAC benefits. Avoiding these can save you time, stress, and money. Mistake number 1. Missing the age 22 rule. If your child's disability started after age 22, they won't qualify for DAC. Make sure you have clear proof that the disability began before then. Mistake number 2. Waiting too long to apply. Many families don't realize they can apply as soon as the parent starts receiving Social Security benefits. Every month you wait is money lost. Mistake number 3. Not providing enough medical evidence. The more documentation you have, the better. Include doctor's notes, hospital records, school IEPs, and anything else that shows the disability's impact. Mistake number 4. Confusing DAC with SSI. SSI is a different program. It's needs-based and has strict income and asset limits. DAC is based on your work record, not your child's income or savings. Mistake number 5. Giving up after a denial. Many applications are denied the first time. Don't give up. Appeal the decision and provide more evidence. Mistake number 6. Not reporting changes. If your child starts working or their living situation changes, you must report it to Social Security. Failing to do so can lead to overpayments and penalties. Let me share a couple of real-life stories that show just how powerful these benefits can be. Story 1. Linda and Jake. Linda's son, Jake, has autism. He's never been able to work full-time. When Linda retired, she learned about DAC benefits from a friend. She applied, and now Jake gets $1,600 every month. That money pays for his therapy, his rent, and even lets him take art classes. Linda says, "I wish I'd known about this sooner. It's given Jake independence and given me peace of mind." Story 2. The Martinez family. The Martinez family's daughter, Sophia, has cerebral palsy. When Mr. Martinez passed away, Sophia was 25. The family thought it was too late to apply, but because Sophia's disability started before age 22, she qualified for DAC benefits based on her father's work record. Now Sophia receives $1,800 a month, which helps pay for her care and allows her to live at home. These stories are not rare. There are thousands of families just like yours who have unlocked these benefits and changed their lives. You deserve this support too. Now let's talk about some warning signs and risks that could put your application in danger. Warning sign number 1. Misinformation from Social Security staff. Sometimes even Social Security workers get confused about DAC rules. If someone tells you your child can't get benefits because they never worked, or because they're over 22, double-check the facts. The key is that the disability started before age 22. Warning sign number 2. Incomplete applications. If you leave out important information or documents, your application could be delayed or denied. Take your time and make sure everything is complete. Warning sign number 3. Not appealing a denial letter. Don't panic. Many families win on appeal, especially if they provide more medical evidence or get help from a disability advocate. Warning sign number 4. Overpayments. If your child starts working or their living situation changes, report it right away. If you don't, Social Security might overpay your child, and you'll have to pay it back. If you ever feel lost or overwhelmed, reach out to a disability advocate, a local nonprofit, or even an attorney who specializes in Social Security. There's help out there, and you don't have to do this alone. Let's answer some of the most common questions families have about DAC benefits. Question 1. Can my child get DAC and SSI at the same time? Answer: yes, sometimes. If the DAC benefit is less than the SSI maximum, your child may get both. But if the DAC benefit is higher, SSI will stop. Question 2. What happens if my child gets married? Answer: in most cases, marriage will end DAC benefits unless your child marries another person who also receives Social Security disability benefits. Question 3. Can my child work and still get DAC? Answer: your child can do some work, but if they earn more than the substantial gainful activity limit, about $1,550 a month in 2024, they may lose benefits. Question 4. What if I have more than one disabled child? A. Each child can qualify for DAC, but there's a family maximum limit. Social Security will explain how this works if you have more than one eligible child. Question 5. Will DAC affect my own Social Security benefits? Answer: no. Your child's DAC benefits are separate from your own retirement or disability payments. If you've made it this far, you're serious about getting the support your family deserves. Don't wait another day. Every month you delay is money lost. Here, quote, is what you should do right now. Check if your child's disability started before age 22. Gather your documents, birth certificates, medical records, Social Security numbers. Find out if you, the parent, are receiving Social Security retirement or disability benefits. Start your application online, by phone, or in person. If you need help, reach out to a disability advocate or local nonprofit. Your child's future could depend on this. You've worked hard your whole life. Now it's time to make sure your family gets the support you've earned. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on Social Security, disability benefits, and resources for families like yours. Quote. Stop here. Watch our next video to learn about other hidden programs and benefits that can help your family even more. You're not alone. Let's get the support your child deserves together.